Today we're going to be playing Emma Chamberlain's Are You Fashionable or Are You Stylish? Emma came up with this game on her podcast, and she kind of said, like, I don't imagine it ever being played because it would be kind of complicated, but I'm going to play it because I have you guys. So the premise of this game is deciding whether somebody is fashionable or stylish. In Emma's podcast, and if I get it wrong, I'll say it on screen because it honestly doesn't make too much sense to me because I think they could be interchangeable. But Emma says being fashionable, you follow trends, you can put an outfit together, but the same outfit basically could be seen on like an Urban Outfitters mannequin. And if you're stylish, somebody would see those clothes that you're wearing and immediately say, that's so Lainey, or that's so Emma, etc. The way she said you play this game, which is basically you would take two mannequins, in theory, you would dress one in a trendy fashion and one in your personal style, and you would have your friends come and say like which one is fashionable, which one's stylish, which one's me, which one's trends, and it would kind of decide whether you have your own sense of style or not. I think on mannequins this would work better, but we're gonna try it on bod. I just think that sometimes seeing things on certain people, and especially like me having such a like persona online, if you want to call it that, I feel like everything just ends up looking Lainey, quotations, YouTube Lainey. So we'll see. I'm basically going to be styling two different outfits for certain occasions, one in trendy manner and one in my style. And I want you guys to guess in the comments which is which. I think it's going to be really tricky too because everything's from my closet. I didn't like buy new things. I obviously have trendy things already in my closet, so we'll have like the answers at the end, I guess. Oh wait, before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring. Something that I know is not trendy and is 100% my style are these Ana Luisa earrings because I literally designed them. I drew up a picture, sent it over to Ana Luisa when they said they wanted to work together and create something, and we got to create these amazing earrings that go with anything. I like mean this in the best way, but they look like something you would find in your grandma's jewelry box and be like, I want to wear those right now. I feel like they will just go in any period of time. I love the hearts. They mean so much to me. They always just remind me of my mom. The green and the gold, they're beautiful. If you guys want to shop these earrings, you can get them on Ana Luisa or the link in the description box. They're so, so, so pretty. Also, they're so light. That was like the first thing my mom and like my friends have pairs. They're like, oh my God, they're not heavy. A lot of earrings make my holes sag. Let's do the first outfit. So I'm not telling you if it's trendy or fashionable. Wait, if it's stylish or fashionable. Okay. Here's the first look. Moto boots, some straight leg jeans, Afghan jacket, turtleneck, and a slouchy hobo purse. What do you think? Is this me or is this trendy? And here's the second look. I feel like this is gonna be such a tricky game. These first two looks are supposed to be for a kind of winter, just like day out in the town, like where you're gonna get dressed up, but you're really not doing anything crazy. This look, we have this leather jacket with the fur collar, which I think is really trendy right now, but also is just like so cute and keeps me so warm. Pinstripe trousers, the moto boots, and a little purse. What do we think? This is the trendy look. Seeing so many girls do this like one tuck boot, especially at Fashion Week. I think it's like the play into the skinny jeans, what people are going to start doing to ease their way into a skinny jean. I still think these jackets are super trendy, but you know I wear it all the time. And I would wear it like this, like that's a thing. Would probably wear this. I'd probably do both boots untucked in a wider jean, but these seem to be a little bit of a trendier jean right now. The moto boots are so trendy. All this stuff I wear though, so like, I don't know, did you get it? Okay, and I would say this one is a bit more of just like my style. I love black and brown together and just like a bunch of neutral tones. My pinstripe trousers have been in my collection for so long now. I feel like the jacket could have thrown some people off, but I do wear it like day to day and it does keep me very warm. Yeah, you can still incorporate trendy things into your style, like no doubt. So yeah, did you get this one? Okay, now we have a bit more of like a fall or springy day out. I got my moto boots on again, midi skirt I adore from Cotton, this cheetah cardigan from my friend Shoshi. She thrifted it, just like a white t-shirt underneath, some cute Edna Mode glasses, and then this slouchy hobo from my nonna. Look, we've got my ballet flats from Jeffrey Campbell, these cherry pants that my friend Amanda thrifted, and I asked if I could borrow, so she let me. This top that's originally from Revolve, and then this kind of slouchy hobo that is Poppy Listman. What do you think? Okay, so this was the trendy outfit, or the fashionable one. I feel like this one's really tricky as well because I would totally wear it. I don't think I would have put it together. I was very like trying to check off each thing that I deem as a big trend right now and put them all together. I still think it looks so cute. I think, again, this is so tricky because these are things that are in my closet that I already love and wear and feel like me. Not all of them are like brand new. Literally, like this is from my nonna, it's vintage. This was thrifted for my friend Shoshi got it. I picked the V-neck because I feel like the V-neck cardigans are coming a lot more in style, and cheetah print is obviously a very big trend. Like having a white t-shirt under a V-neck feels very like of the time. Skirt is so trendy, as well as obviously the moto boot. Yeah, it's so tricky because it feels like me, but it's not, but it is. I don't know. Is this a faulty game, Emma? I know she's not watching. This is the look that's a bit more my style. Definitely kind of dressed up for day to day, and I was trying to throw you guys off, but I would definitely wear this look. Maybe I guess a little bit of a fancier day to day look. Is that gonna throw you guys off? I consider like printed jeans and like fun pants key component of my style. I've been loving them for years and years and years now, so I thought that that was a good one. And again, I wanted to see if it threw you off, just to use a piece you've never seen before, because these pants aren't mine, they're my friend. I love ballet flats. I wore them all last summer. Do I think I'll wear them for the rest of my life? I have no idea because I can't tell the future. And I feel like that's a big thing with Emma's podcast, is when I listen to it, and I don't mean to sound like I'm so much older than her. I will maybe like 4 years older than her, but I'm always like, she's young. And I thought those things 2 years ago. And it's just crazy how much you learn every year. And like, moral of the story, always listen to your mom. She knows, with fashion at least. Next look is a daytime summer look. We've got my fried campus boots, my denim maxi skirt. I just saw Ernie like sulk away. This little boho top I thrifted, and then this cute suede Coach purse. What do we think? Maybe I want to add this. Yeah. This outfit was missing something, and it's this. Okay, there it is. And here's the next look for just a summer day-to-day outfit. I've got black ballet flats, this polka dot midi dress, a green bag, and then that same bandana on top. Okay, another tricky one, but this was the fashionable or trendy one. I think that I would definitely wear this all together, honestly. It's leaning into like the boho chic coming into trend. Yeah, but I still love it because they're all things from my closet. I don't think I would have put it together had I not been trying to dress trendy. And again, like, I don't think that these outfits are bad. Like, nothing's bad about being trendy, but can you tell the difference? This one was more my style. Still think polka dots can be worn in your style. That doesn't just mean that they're trendy. Such a timeless print that is trending right now. Again, like I keep saying, I reach for these ballet flats all the time, so I wanted to show them. I love wearing these little bandanas, especially now that my hair is shorter. Yeah, it's more of a simple look. You guys couldn't tell by now, that's normally what my style is. It's a little bit more simple, with like one big pop of something to kind of hold its own. So for this dress is polka dot. I feel like it's interesting enough and it doesn't need a lot going on around it. Next look is like a winter night out. I wanted to show it without the jacket because I think it's a lot cuter without the jacket, but you would need a jacket. So for this look we have knee-high boots, a midi plaid skirt that I thrifted. These are from Jeffrey Campbell. This has like the cutest little ruffle at the bottom. The shirt underneath is actually from Cider, just an off-the-shoulder top, and then, or boat neck, brown leather jacket, and my little purse that's from Paloma Wool. It's like an army green, and this jacket's brown. What do we think? Here's the next look. We have on some knee-high black boots. These are actually kick flare pants, but just look like skinny jean like leggings right now. This polka dot quarter-length sleeve boat neck top. This slouchy hobo that was from my Nonna. So Nonna thrifted Cezanne, and then this thrifted moto jacket I'll put on. So this look was more of my style. And it's funny because when I was putting this on, I originally was gonna make it the trendier side because I normally wouldn't pair these lace-up boots like this because it's a lot going on. But I was trying to remind myself that this is like a night out look and I would definitely wear this. And then it was becoming so quote unquote laney, I couldn't redirect it back into like a more trendy outfit. So this is what it turned into, and I think it's so adorable. This is like a fun thing just to do at home and kind of test out different outfits that you wouldn't normally put together. Ones that are my style, things I would put together normally, and then these trendier ones aren't, but are things that I would wear. So I don't know, what are we learning from this? Okay, so this was the more trendy or fashionable look for the winter night out. When I'm putting together these trendier looks, I really just try to make every single piece hit and be a trend and not mix any of my own, I guess, ugliness into it, down to the polka dot top we've got going on here. And this is another look, like, honestly, I don't think I'd wear this. I am not a big fan of just like something, oops, my butt, something that looks like a legging. And I know these pants aren't a legging, but tucked into a boot like this, they just look like a legging. I don't think it's fun. I don't think it adds anything to the outfit. I think, you know, if you saw this outfit, I would do like a polka dot flowy skirt with it or just a flowy midi skirt instead of a pant like this. I just like, I'm not into, I don't know, like I need an extra something here. I don't want to show my booty cheeks off. But yeah, I mean, like, it's still a cute outfit. It's all things from my closet. And I'm really hoping that this video reaches people who aren't subscribed because I feel like my subscribers are going to have an easier time with this. And it's interesting to see if somebody who doesn't know my style could tell the difference between something that's a bit more trendy and something that's a bit more someone's individual style. Bag, wet bag, wet bag. Here's the next look for like a spring or fall night out. We have my Cezanne boots again, this polka dot midi skirt, this heart Moschino belt, this polka dot top I just wore in the last one, the boat neck, quarter length sleeve, this bag I've had forever. It's from the brand Glynit. Glynit. If you want to shop any of this stuff, it'll be in my shop in the description. And then I think that's it. So yeah, night out in the spring or like fall. I guess if I was like cold, I'd throw on a leather jacket. What do we think? Here's the next look for a more fall or springy night out. Again, this would be a bit of a warmer night, but it feels too warm for summer. I don't know. What do you guys think though? This little set is from Fabrique. My shoes are Everlane. And then my bag is Paloma wool, like I keep saying. Okay, this is the trendy or fashionable look for a fall or spring night out. I mean, the double polka dots, come on, like, I don't think I'd do that day to day, but also I would totally wear this because they're things from my closet. I would probably do without the belt in like real life because I'm just not one to like over accessorize like this, but I still think this outfit is adorable. Yeah, it's just fun. I'm like having so much fun playing with my clothes. I am a toddler. Okay, this outfit is more of my style for the spring and fall night out look. I cannot wait to wear the set. I keep saying that, so I feel like it's a dead giveaway. It is so funny though. There feels like so much more pressure putting these outfits together that are supposed to be deemed as more my style. The trendy ones, I'm like, I don't care if nobody likes it because it's just like putting trends together, but they end up being a lot cuter of looks. Like, what's happening? I feel like I'm trying too hard with these outfits, and like I literally put 4 different outfits on before I came to the conclusion of this one because I just really wanted my style to like feel different and be spottable like Emma's saying. I don't know, I'm kind of not caring if that is the case because all these outfits are cute and they still all feel like me. Yeah, but I love this look. Next we have a summer night out. We have my Clark kitten heel like ballet pumps. This little skirt is from Revolve. It has a matching top, but I paired it with this shirt from Fabrique and then my little purse from Versa Bag. What do we think? And here's the next look for a summer night out. We have the moto boots back on, these little polka dot micro shorts that I thrifted. This belt was my mom's. This shirt I got off Whatnot, so thrifted. And then the Poppy Listman little hobo bag. What do we think? So there's something about this look that with like my pixie, I don't know, it like doesn't work. I feel like it looks a little bit too vintage, but this is definitely something I would have thrown on to wear when my hair was long. I think I'm just gonna have to figure out like what scarf or something on top would work best with it. But yeah, I think that this is a lot more just like geared towards my style than trends. It's still trendy. That's like the thing about all these looks. But could you tell? Okay, I feel like this one's a dead giveaway, but it is the trendier outfit. And I almost made like a big boo-boo and started styling these micro shorts in more my style, which would be more of a vintage way. If I were to wear these little polka dot micro shorts, I would normally pair them with these and like a more puffy flowy blouse on top, and again just like very vintage 70s. Then I was like, wait, this is supposed to be trendier, and yeah, I still think that this outfit's really cute. This would be like a good Coachella look or something. I just normally only wear these moto boots with just not shorts, honestly, just normally longer skirts and pants. So yeah, a different way to style them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun, it was different, and I'm so curious to see if you guys could guess which was which. I feel like some were easy and some were really hard, but maybe even watching this back, I'll think it's hard because just feeling things on my body and seeing how they feel and how I feel in them, it's kind of easy for me to differentiate. But definitely try this at home, and if you guys try it on Instagram or something, tag me in it because I'd love to see your witches. Remember to check out my earrings that I designed with Ana Luisa. They'll be linked in the description box, and that's it. I love you guys absolutely most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.